exit 4 on Route 81. I want to go ahead and take a look at the pilot in this location. I'm going to stop by and take my break and continue from here on. We're going down to Sugar Lane, Texas. So I just want to pull over for now and take a little break and just rest. Alright, the diesel price is about $2.85, credit $2.75, cash $279.9. Sorry about that. So I'll be turning on out here. On the right corner here we have Hess gas station. The Hess gas station has $2.78. So I'm going to go to the pilot because I don't want to go to Hess. I don't mind going and get something to eat like Wendy's, but then again, I have a long way of driving to do. I do have a long way to go. I'll be driving until 6-7 o'clock tonight. That's about 9-10 hours straight. When I say straight, which means it's 10 hours of driving. Small cubicles of little breaks in here and there, and stop by for a cup of coffees and things like that. Inspections, you know, just do a pre-trip inspection and everything. So everything looks good. I'm just feeling like time to stop for 30 minutes, 45 minutes and grab a cup of coffee and eat some food. I got plenty of food. So I don't know about you guys, but I am hungry. Now I hope I do see a sign says where to get in and truck stop. Okay, it's not here now. We're gonna keep going straight. Oh, there goes the trucks. The trucks are coming out. Alright, I'll be going in there. What's this on the right? They're building something. Okay, that's cool.
You have arrived at your destination on the left side.
I wonder what they're building. Roger that, man. I got that GPS. Thank you. Oh, that's a trucking company here. There's an old Dominion, probably one of the headquarters. All right, that's cool. And then they got the parts and services on the right-hand side. Awesome. Well, I'm not sure if you guys noticed it, but here we got snow. Believe it or not, last time when I came up this way, there was no snow. We had a lot of snow down over at the Virginia, but now here we shouldn't have any snow at all. So we're gonna go ahead and pull over here and back it up. Just gonna go nice and easy. Always look around, keep your eyes open, because in that very last second you take your eyes off anything, you're bound to run into trouble. Always keep an eye, always keep an eye. Now you can have a guy walking in the back and all of a sudden the guy faints. What happens? You don't see him, he's somewhere back there. But you got to keep your eyes open. Want to make sure who's walking around the truck. So here I am, perfectly backing this up. I got a truck on my left. You all gonna see that? He's waiting for me to back up. And I'm going to say thank you very much, Douglas. And here we are. I'm going to run inside. And I'm going to also get something to eat. I got some real munchies here with me. Wow, the guy next to me, he practically passed out sleeping on the chair. And he's got the laptop in front of him. The mind is tired, and the mind wants to take a break. All right. Let's lock the brakes. And let's take this break. All right, coming back later on, there's gonna be some more videos rolling down the road, burning 18 wheels of rubber and keep on trucking, heading down west to Sugar Lane, Texas. We will see what's out there. Never been there before. So until then, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, please, to subscribe, and we'll get some more goodies coming up. All right, all complete. Got the coffee, ate my food, the best food I ever had. Great cooking from the house is the best thing there is to do. We just avoided heavy grease. Maybe I saved about 1,000 calories. Because most of these foods in Wendy's and McDonald's are about that much calories. Between 4, you add the Coke, you're about consuming 1,500 calories. You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. Easy, son, easy. All right, nice and easy. We'll take the turn, and we're going to continue. Another, I would say, 300 miles. Silverville. Text Paulie to 62440. What? Hometown of Dolly's? Hey, the Dolly singer. Yeah, the country girl. Yeah, so pretty much I went inside and I looked around. I think I remembered I was here before a while back ago. Kind of funny feeling is that, you know, oh, what is that car doing down there? Oh, that thing lost control. The coffee's not bad, but I don't like it. It's not like very good. I don't know why. It's just that I can never get the coffee for a perfect taste. Either it's the cream or the coffee's not fresh. Or the cream is too old. Oh, I don't know. Doesn't taste too good. Maybe too much cream. Wow. Anyway, we're gonna be jumping on Route 40 now. We did a nice long drive on 81. From that 40 on, we're gonna go through Tennessee, Chattanooga. Then we're gonna grab the 59, and we're gonna rest over at the McAllen, Alabama. Boy, I'm full. I had a lot of food. Was not my plan. Everything started pretty good. When you get a weather like this, it gets a little bit hard. And all of a sudden, it's starting to pour snow. And I can't see more than about 500,000 feet in front of me. My mirrors are gone. Ice is like starting to accumulate. It's all gonna like stick into the mirror, just like the ones that before. And I'm not like quite happy right now this is gonna happen. About 30 miles away from the truck stop, and this was an unexpected situation that put me in a position right now. But still, I mean, it's snowing. It's non-stop snowing. It's bad. It's like if it's in the daylight, it's okay. But well, I just hope we're not going to run into any other type of problems. We're going to go nice and easy. Hopefully wherever we're going to go, it's going to be available parking. We can park. Otherwise, I don't know how long this is going to snow, how long it's going to last. They said it's going to be about 5 inches, and 5 inches is 5 inches. That's a lot. And nobody's out there doing the cleaning. They knew the storm was coming, and from the beginning they didn't pour salt. I don't see any snow cleaners out there. I got a truck right now who wants to pass me, and Oh dear God. Slow down, buddy, slow down. No rush. No rush. Take the lane. My CB doesn't work, so I'm unable to communicate with the drivers. I can hear them, but I cannot dispatch. And that's not another thing. As I was trying to work on getting some of the new antennas, but I haven't seen any of those yet. So every time I press the brakes, I have to keep an eye on, look back there and see if my trailer's not jackknifing. I just had one problem. My wipers came off the metal line from the joint, and it was hanging, and it wasn't cleaning my windows. It was very scary. It was a scary feeling. I didn't know where to pull over. I thought of pulling over to the left lane. I figured no one's driving on the left lane, but I didn't want to take a chance. So I put my parking lights on, and I kept going. And as I approached to the further up south of 59, I pulled over, and I had to go on the kind of a bridge, like one of those little bridges. I figured that's the best spot to pull, because that way you know exactly there's no grass, it's all gravel, stone, and you'll be able to get out. So the first chance I had, I pulled over, and I went ahead and fixed the wipers, and I tried to figure about a minute how to put it on, but I did. So then I jumped back in the truck right away. But the time that I did that is I let everyone pass me, and then the traffic disappeared. There was no one coming. So by the time they started coming, I was already done and in the truck. And as soon as I was about to leave the premises at that location, and I would say about it was 4 or 5 inches thick snow, my wheels were spinning. I said, uh-oh, that's not good. So I put a reverse a little bit, I backed up a little bit, and then I moved forward a little bit, back and forth, and what I did was I locked all the wheels. I locked the second axle, and then it's like all the wheels are starting to turn. So I came out of it. Now I'm on the road. It's about 6, 7 o'clock here in Central Time, and this snow doesn't stop. Now I hope the place that I'm going it's going to be the exit is going to be clean. So once I exit, I'm going to really take my time. So once I get to the truck stop, that's where I'm going to be very easy. It's not ice. It's not like you're going to slide. You know, these guys are driving, and you know, it's nothing really to be worried about. It's fine. It's just that as long as everything works, your lights, your wipers, at times like this is when you really need it. You want those things to work for you, because if you don't have these things, that's going to be a problem. It's going to be a big, like what I just experienced. I had the guy put it on my wipers, and starting to build up ice, and it started getting heavy, 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 and then guess what? It just got disconnected out of the arm. Now it's like my wipers are just hanging. I'm like, oh, that's great. This is perfect time, you know? So all for well, everything went well. It's not anymore like a problem. So right now we're just gonna have to focus, keep going forward. We got 27 miles left to the stop, and that's it. We're gonna pull over. I don't know what the weather's gonna be like tomorrow. If it's bad, I'm not gonna move until they clean this. I'm not gonna move until they clean up everything. And you know what? If the load is not gonna get delivered, then too bad. The Lord has to stay with me till Monday. I'm doing so far not bad. 32 miles an hour. Actually 25, 30, yeah, 32 miles an hour. So I'm okay. And I got 27 miles left. Little by little, we're getting there. Now, I didn't see any rest areas, and I don't want to go to a rest area because that's probably going to be very, very bad over there. 100% you're going to get stuck. And I don't know about these guys here. These guys, we keep going. We're just hoping, like, I'm like the last one, I guess. There's no one behind me. I do see some lights, yeah. Far away, I see some lights coming. But seriously, it's pouring snow. This is crazy. This is really, really crazy. I don't know. I should have pulled over. There was a truck stop right there. I don't know what I was trying to do. Another 40 miles, just, you know, just to get like another 40, but what's the rush? This is for Friday anyway. Oh gee, I could have just pulled over and rest. Right now I'll be having my hot tea and lay down in the back and just cuddle and watch the snow fall out the window. 26 miles left, and as you can see how it's pouring the snow, it's unbearable. It's crazy fast pouring. They're about like a size of a nickel, no, size of a dime. That's how thick they are. That's how thick it is. Anyway, I got the heat full blast to the windshield. Just want to make sure that I don't have any of those problems again. But truthfully, I was hoping that the more I go south, that it won't snow. The more I go south, it's not going to snow. It's going to stop. I'm not going to see any more snow. But you know what? It's the opposite. It's going to be more snow. I didn't know Alabama has got this much snow. Damn. Again, ice is accumulating under my wipers. I hope this is not going to be another issue. That's going to be a problem, man. That's going to be a problem. I got 25 miles left, 35 miles an hour. I mean, this is what happens when you let somebody put something on your truck. You know what? The truck that you drive, and you let someone to put something on it. Just gotta double check. Yeah, I have to put the low beams on now because high beams are like distracting me because I get to see more snow than the road. So this way I'm gonna put my fog lights on the bottom. Yeah, it's much better, okay. Can you imagine at a time like this, you're driving, all of a sudden, bam, all your lights disappear. All of a sudden it disappears. Everything's pitch black. Oh, you're done, you're cooked, you're finished. I don't want to imagine that because that's not a nice feeling, and I'm not gonna put my thoughts and conclusions, and it's some type of assumption that's not going to happen. So I'm just going to focus and keep on riding. Let's take a look now. Where are we here? We got a little bit more going here. Let me see if we got any more truck stops. What do we have here? Gas station, Delta. Nope, that's the only one. 23 miles from here, Petro. That's all there is. And we're gonna hope that we're gonna go there. Alright, I'm gonna say goodbye, and hopefully when I get there, I'm gonna see what's gonna happen up there. So look at that road. No one cleaned it, and there goes a car along the side. The guy just parked it there because he figures that, you know what, oh, there's a truck stop right there. Oh man, that would have been nice for me. Oh, that was right under my nose. Shoot. I hope this snow, it's not going to be like the Buffalo when it snowed so much. Oh my goodness, let's go, let's see what happens. We got 24 miles more left. That's another 40 minutes of driving. Well, actually not. Yeah, it is. Because I'm doing only 35. You know, one of the bad things is when you get off the exit and you're downhill and you press the brakes and you keep sliding, that's going to be a problem. That's something anyone, no one, I don't care who it is not going to be able to stop the truck if the truck is going to keep sliding downwards. That's why, I mean, I guess you got to go like low gear or something and easy on the brakes and just, you know, go very, very slow. That's what we're going to do. See, right now in front of me there's about 2-3 trucks and there are some more behind me, but that's like about a mile back. So everyone's traveling about 30-35 miles an hour. Now what's going on here is one of the toughest recalls here is when you're driving at night and especially like someone like hasn't driven in the snow for a long time and he's going to put all his ideas and tactics and all the experiences here over the road. Because I do know some guys really travel at nights driving in the snow, but I give those guys a credit. Really, I give them a credit. They're the best ones out there. There are folks out in Canada, they drive in the snow, but then again, I don't know. Daytime is different. It could be nighttime different. But as long as like all the truckers lined up and we're all like driving in the same lane, all the tire marks are just like ripping the snow in pieces. So it's avoiding for accumulate and become even more thicker and maybe even ice. So yeah, this is basically it right now. Everybody's in one lane and we're all traveling in this direction. But I tell you, man, once my wipers just got disconnected from it, I was so like I didn't know where to stop. I tell you, if I did stop over to the left lane, and I would probably say it's a 50-50 chance, and someone's going to just come and smack right into you, and you don't want that for over wipers. But then again, you need to see where you're going. So what do you got to do? You got to find a place to spot, but where are you going to do? It's like almost getting dark. You can't see what you're going to do. Anyway, the story short, I did it. I managed doing it. It was kind of funny. It was hanging. I thought I was going to lose it on the highway. I mean, if I didn't lose it, I might have an old one back here, but it ain't going to work as good as a new one here. So basically, that's it. Well, all right. I'm going to cut this short. I got about 20 miles left. I still got plenty of fuel. It's good. We're doing pretty good. So we're going to make it. All right, guys.